Have you ever wondered what true speed looks like in the natural world? Not the speed of a race car roaring down a track, not the speed of a jet aircraft crossing the sky, but the speed of a living creature whose survival depends on moving faster than everything around it. A speed so extraordinary that it can mean the difference between life and death in a matter of seconds. For humans, speed has always been something to admire. We build faster vehicles, faster machines, faster technology. We celebrate world records. We cheer for athletes who push the limits of human performance. Yet compared to many animals, human speed is surprisingly modest. The fastest human ever recorded reached a top speed of around 44 kilometers per hour. An incredible achievement by human standards. But in the natural world, that speed is merely the beginning. Because for hundreds of millions of years, evolution has been perfecting one of the most important tools for survival: speed. For some animals, speed is a weapon. For others, it is a shield. And for a select few, it has evolved into something so extraordinary that it seems almost impossible. Today, we are exploring the fastest animals on Earth, creatures capable of running, flying, swimming, and striking with speeds that leave humans far behind. But before we discover who is the fastest, we first need to understand something important. Speed in nature is not as simple as it seems. There is speed on land, speed in the air, speed in the ocean, and even speed measured in fractions of a second during an attack. Each environment creates different challenges. A fish does not need to run. A bird does not need to swim. A cheetah does not need to fly. Every species evolves according to its environment. And from those environments emerge nature's champions of speed. Our journey begins on the vast grasslands of Africa, an endless landscape of golden savannas stretching toward the horizon. This is the home of one of the most famous animals on Earth, the cheetah. Whenever people talk about speed, the cheetah is almost always the first animal mentioned. And for good reason. The cheetah is the fastest land animal ever recorded. Its body looks different from other big cats: lighter, leaner, more aerodynamic. Every feature serves a single purpose: maximum speed. When a cheetah spots prey, it begins to stalk carefully, closing the distance, waiting for the perfect moment. Then, suddenly, everything changes. The chase begins. The cheetah explodes forward with astonishing acceleration. Within just a few seconds, it can reach speeds that rival many sports cars. Its top speed can exceed 100 kilometers per hour. Some individuals have been recorded approaching 120 kilometers per hour. To understand how extraordinary that is, imagine a human trying to outrun a motorcycle. That is essentially what many prey animals face. But the cheetah's true advantage is not just its top speed, it is its acceleration. Its flexible spine acts like a giant spring. Each stride stretches the body to remarkable lengths. Its long legs generate enormous forward momentum. Its enlarged lungs and heart deliver massive amounts of oxygen. Its tail functions like a high-speed rudder, helping maintain balance during sharp turns. The entire animal is a biological machine designed for explosive speed. Yet, even this incredible predator has limits. The faster it runs, the more heat its body generates. After a short sprint, exhaustion becomes a serious risk. That is why cheetah hunts are brief, fast, explosive, decisive. Either the prey is caught quickly, or the opportunity is lost. But while the cheetah dominates the ground, its reign ends the moment we look toward the sky. Because high above the earth lives an animal that moves even faster: the peregrine falcon, widely regarded as the fastest animal on the planet. At first glance, the peregrine falcon looks like any other bird of prey. Powerful wings, sharp talons, excellent eyesight. But its true ability appears during the hunt. When a peregrine falcon spots prey from hundreds of meters above, it begins a maneuver known as a stoop. Its wings fold tightly against its body. Gravity takes over, and the falcon dives. Faster, and faster, and faster, like a living missile. During these hunting dives, peregrine falcons can exceed 320 kilometers per hour. Some measurements suggest even higher speeds. That is faster than many race cars, faster than most high-speed trains, all achieved without engines, without fuel, without technology, only biology. Millions of years of evolutionary refinement transformed this bird into the ultimate aerial predator. When it strikes, the impact can be devastating. The prey often has little chance to react. In the world of flight, few creatures can match such performance. Yet the skies are not the only place where speed matters. The oceans have their own champions. If we travel into tropical waters, we encounter one of the fastest fish ever recorded, the sailfish. Its body is long, streamlined, and perfectly shaped to reduce drag. Everything about the sailfish is optimized for moving through water, a medium far denser than air. Scientists estimate that sailfish can reach speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour, an astonishing achievement considering the resistance created by water. Its specialized body shape allows it to cut through the ocean like a torpedo. Its powerful muscles generate incredible bursts of acceleration. And when hunting schools of smaller fish, the sailfish becomes one of the ocean's most efficient predators. But nature's speed records are not limited to large animals. Some of the most astonishing performances come from creatures that are tiny. One example is the flea. Small, annoying, easy to overlook. Yet from a physics perspective, fleas are extraordinary athletes. A flea can jump more than 100 times its own body length. Imagine a human leaping over a skyscraper in a single bound. Its legs function like biological springs. Energy is stored and released with incredible efficiency. The result is explosive acceleration, far beyond what its size would suggest. And then there are dragonflies, masters of aerial agility. Unlike many insects, dragonflies can fly forward, backward, sideways, and hover in place. Their flight control is so precise that they successfully capture prey in the vast majority of their hunting attempts. Speed alone is impressive, but speed combined with precision becomes even more powerful. As we continue exploring the fastest animals on Earth, a pattern begins to emerge. Speed is never random. Every fast animal evolved its abilities for a reason. Cheetahs need speed to catch gazelles. Gazelles need speed to escape cheetahs. Falcons need speed to ambush birds. Fish need speed to survive among predators. Over millions of years, this evolutionary arms race has never stopped. Predators become faster. Prey becomes faster. Predators improve again. And the cycle continues. Generation after generation, million year after million year. The result is a world filled with extraordinary athletes, living creatures pushing the limits of biology itself. Because in nature, speed is often more than an advantage. It is survival. A few seconds can determine success or failure. A fraction of a second can mean food or starvation, escape or capture, life or death. And perhaps that is what makes these animals so fascinating. When we watch a cheetah sprint across the savanna, a peregrine falcon dive from the clouds, or a sailfish cut through the ocean, we are witnessing the outcome of millions of years of natural selection, millions of years of refinement, millions of years of competition. nature's own race. A race with no finish line. A race that continues even today. Somewhere right now, a cheetah is accelerating toward its prey. A peregrine falcon is beginning a dive. A sailfish is chasing a school of fish through tropical waters. And countless other creatures are relying on speed for their survival. A reminder that one of nature's greatest powers is not size, not strength, not even intelligence, but the ability to move faster than anything trying to catch you, or faster than anything you are trying to catch. Because in the wild, speed is more than motion. It is one of the most powerful survival tools ever created by evolution. And the fastest animals on Earth stand as living proof of just how extraordinary life can become when every second matters.